Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Fortnite Crash Reporter. Start by opening the Epic Games launcher. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go down to select Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings page, find Fortnite, and enable the option for additional command line arguments. In the box that appears, type -D 3DLL exactly as shown. After this, return to the main launcher screen. Next, go to your library on the left side and find Fortnite. Click the three dots next to it and select Manage. Then, click on Open Install Location. In the folder that opens, double-click on Fortnite game binaries and then open the Win64 folder. Look for the Fortnite launcher, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the boxes for running the program in compatibility mode, disabling full-screen optimizations, and running as administrator. Click Apply and OK. You should repeat these same steps for the Fortnite client, setting the same options in Properties and Compatibility. After that, find Easy Anti-Cheat in your Fortnite folder, double-click it, right-click the setup file, and go to Properties. Again, in the Compatibility tab, check the same boxes, then Apply and OK. Once all these settings are applied, try launching Fortnite again to see if the Crash Reporter issue is fixed. If the error is still there, you can try one more step. In your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, select Options, and make sure the box for Fortnite Save the World is checked. Click Apply and let the installation complete. This should resolve the Crash Reporter error. Following these steps carefully usually allows Fortnite to start without any problems. Thanks for watching.